10,000-pound Dexter trailer axle repair kit for the new style Dexter axles made after 07 of 2009. This kit comes with everything you need, including 2 new hub and drums, 2 oil caps, the passenger side and the driver side brake assembly, 16 swivel flange nuts, 2 of the 10-51 oil seals, 2 of the outer bearing 25580s, and 2 of the inner bearings, the 387As. Everything you need to restore your 10K axles back to new right here at trailerpartsunlimited.com. Check us out.